In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page with Elementor Page Builder using WordPress. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. So this is the landing page we'll be creating today. It looks simple but powerful, and this is the opt-in box. In case you have to promote this on Facebook and Twitter and other social media networks, you need your disclaimer here. Okay, so that's why I have this. Always remember, please, even if you don't want to do ads, it's always professional to put these things down there. Okay, all right, so let's get into the video. We have to get on WordPress dashboard. So on WordPress dashboard, just hover to pages, then new. All right, so give title to the page. Then when you are done, you click schedule, then schedule again. Click on edit with Elementor. All right, this is the Elementor page. So what we have to do next, get rid of, because on your landing page you want it to be clean and less distraction. So to do that, you come down here and click on the settings, page layout, click the arrow down and click on Elementor canvas. So when it's done, you click save. So now the page is set up to canvas. That's why you can see everything is clean. Let's check out the product page. We're gonna summarize the entire page. Okay, so we are not creating exact page that you see here, okay, because this is long. And so what I'm gonna do, this chocolate section, we have to create that. Then we create this little box with a text. Okay, but the main product is this. All right, so click on the plus sign to add new section. So we want only one box. So click on the edit sign, which is right here. Then click on stress section, and we want to choose full width. Then you update. All right, so now we're gonna go on this up sign. All right, and drag the title heading up here and drop it. Okay, we're gonna center it. Now we're gonna have to type this title up here. All right, so this is the text. So I'm gonna click on this column section, okay, because I want to work on the color and the background, but first we have to do the background first. So you click on this edit column, then you go to styles, then you click on background, but we want color, so you click on color. All right, so we go back. There's this Chrome extension called Colorilla. I would like you to install it. It's really useful. So I will show you. This is the name, Colorilla. Okay, then you click on it. Then up here, page color picker active. So you click on that. Then you hover over the color. Then you click. Then the color code is copied. Okay, so you move back. Okay, then you just paste it in here. Control C. Double click on it. Okay, so then you go to styles, text color. Okay, and it's white. All right, the background color between up and down before this title. Okay, so we're gonna work on that. So we have to create that special section. Okay, so we have to go back. So click on this sign and this should change. All right, style. All right, then we go back to the sales page just to pick the color. So color picker. Then we need to get closer because this is a gradient color, but we need to get something close to the two. Control V on Windows. All right, so now we have the color, but you can't see it because we have to work on the patterns. Okay, so to work on the patterns, you're gonna go back to advanced. Then on top, you're gonna give it like 15, and down you're gonna give it 15 as well. Now you can see it. All right, so now we're gonna work on the second title, which is this. So you go back and you click on the plus sign, click on one section, and we're gonna stretch it full width. Okay, so we go back to this up sign, drag the title into here until you see the blue, then you drop it. All right, we're gonna center. Click on up sign, you click on style, then you click on background type, click on classic, color picker. Okay, so we pick it, click color again and just paste it. Okay, as you can see, now the color is down there. So now we're gonna add a spacer. Okay, so you drag it, then you drop it. because as you can tell, there's a space here, right? So that's what we're trying to create. It shouldn't be perfect, just so people will know that the page looks similar. Okay, so we double click on the test. Enjoy delicious sugar-free low-carb desserts and still be on keto. All right, so that's what we're gonna type. Okay, so we go back. All right, then click on typography. 50 is okay. So then we change the color. You go up here, then color is white. All right, but I guess we don't need the space down here. Let me delete and see. So we right click, delete. Yeah, so this space is enough, so we're gonna keep it like that. So I'll click update. All right, so moving on, we're gonna create a test and the image of the product. Click on the plus section, and this time we're gonna choose 2 sections. Then we're gonna choose test. Okay, so this test is okay, and we're gonna choose our image. So you go back again, then you choose image in here. All right, now the test, I'm gonna duplicate. So duplicate. So now let's work on the image. So with the image, we click on the image, then we click on the image again through my computer, click on the product. All right, so this is the product. So what we have to do, we have to alter the text, okay, for SEO purposes. All right, when you are done, then click insert. It loads slowly, okay, so you just have to be patient with it. All right, so now I'm gonna start working on the test. So double click this, okay, then delete the test, go back, Ctrl+C to copy on Windows 10, then paste it here. All right, yeah, so this is all I want. So I'll repeat the process. I'll delete and Ctrl+V. I'll pause it and I'll finish it up. The size of the image is too big, so I'm gonna customize it. So we click on this. Okay, so let's work it out. Okay, so this is better. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it like this. All right, so let's check it in on Moba. Click on this and click on Moba. It's all right. Okay, so go back to desktop. So now we need opt-in form. Click on the plus sign again to launch the section. Then you click on this, you just scroll down and you look for HTML. So this is when you have a free version. All right, then you copy the HTML code from, let's say if you have Aweber, then you copy, then you paste it in here, then it's gonna display also button. All right, then you center it. Okay, another option, but this you cannot capture email. With this, your prospect will just go straight to the product. That is if you are not collecting emails. So with this version of Elementor that I'm using is the free version. If you don't have the pro version, you need to update to pro so that you can get all the functionalities. So right after basic, you have pro. Okay, and we're looking for contact form. So drag it down here. With this, we have the options to erase whatever we don't need. Okay, and that's the benefit of having pro. Obviously, I don't want message. If you want name and email, you keep it like that. So the button message is send. We don't want send. We don't want what is written here, claim now. All right, so claim. So we're gonna reduce the size of this, but let's work on the action first. So action after submit, so you click on it. So what you have to do, you exit out. Let's say we are dealing with get response. All right, so you click on it to set your API key. So scroll down. So if you are dealing with get response, then you enter your API key. All right, then you validate, then you save. All right, or you can come down here, click customize, then you drop in your API key. Okay, default. So after, then you have to choose the list. Okay, so you choose the list that you want to work with. All right, then you click update, click on this, then reduce the size, then you push it back again to reduce the size. Okay, we're gonna have to save it. All right, then we're gonna create the last section. Okay, this is what we're gonna have to create now. See this buttons, you really need it, especially if you're gonna do ads. So we're gonna go back, click on this. How many sections do we have? We have, okay, so what do we need? We need, this is what we need. Okay, so we go back, so we click go for 5, and I'll show you why. I'll use these 3. Privacy. All right, so now we're gonna double click this, go back here. Okay, so right click, copy link address, come back. Okay, double click and drop the link. You drop the link, then so you go back here again, privacy policy, right click, copy link address, go back, double click, hyperlink, drop the link and activate. So right click, copy link address, double click, hyperlink, drop the link, click on it. All right, so when you're done, you click on update. So let's check on Moba. So we click on this and we go to, and this is how it's gonna look on Moba. All right, yeah, don't worry, this is gonna go out. So let's go back to desktop, click back on this and exit to dashboard and click update. Okay, so view page. So this is it. If you wanna promote this page, you just copy this and let's try and drop it here. Yeah, so this is the link you'll be promoting. Let's try this link and see if it's gonna work. So right click and open in a new tab, and boom, there you have it. All right, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.